Hi, my name is Ankita Sawant, and I'm from the Environmental and Conservation Sciences program. Fungi. When some of us hear the word fungi, we think of mushrooms. But today, I'm going to be talking about arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, or AM fungi for short. These are soil microorganisms that are found living inside plant roots. And what these fungi do is they absorb nutrients and water from the soil and pass it on to the plant. And in return, the plant also provides these fungi with nutrients such as carbohydrates. Hence, the plant and the fungi maintain what's called a symbiotic relationship, where they help each other survive. But can these fungi do something beyond just providing nutrients to the plants? This is what we wanted to address in my master's thesis. We started off with two initial questions. How do these fungi affect native prairie plants in North Dakota and Minnesota? And how might these fungi be beneficial to restoration projects in our prairies? So we did a greenhouse project where we grew a bunch of blanket flower plants, which are native prairie species to North Dakota and Minnesota. We divided these plants into three groups. To the first two groups, we added soil containing different types of AM fungi. And to the final group, we added plain soil or soil without fungi. As a result of this experiment, we noticed that the plants growing with fungi were much larger on average compared to the plants that grew without any fungi. So what we saw is these plants that grew with fungi had a much larger root system, which is important because in a degraded habitat where there's a lack of nutrients and water, a plant with a greater root system would have a larger area of absorption where they can grab every bit of nutrient and water from that degraded soil. But this work doesn't end here. We're further trying to understand how might these fungi interact with macronutrients present in the soil, because these macronutrients are important to plants. And we're also trying to understand the timing of adding these fungi to the plants. Should we be adding fungi to the plants when they're at their seed stage? Or should we wait for these seeds to germinate into seedlings and then add fungi to the seedlings? All of these questions are really important because in today's world, a lot of our prairies are being damaged due to land degradation caused by activities such as coal mining. So it is important for us to pay attention to this. I want to be able to use my work to help inform those involved in prairie restoration better understand the use and application of this fungi, because maybe with a little bit of fungi and better restoration methods, we can protect and preserve our prairies. Thank you.